Book of Heaven, Volume 12, November 15th, 1920. Continuous good makes it so that the creature feels transported to operate good. My state is ever more painful. The most holy will alone is my only help. Then, as I was with my sweet Jesus, he told me,
My daughter, each work done for me, thought, word, prayer, suffering, and even a simple memory of me, are many chains which the soul keeps forming in order to bind me and to bind herself to me. And these chains, without using violence on the human freedom, have the virtue of sweetly administering to her the chain of perseverance, causing the final link and the final step to be formed, so as to make her take possession of immortal glory. In fact, continuous good has such virtue, such attraction over the soul, that without anyone forcing her or using violence on her, voluntarily she feels transported to operate good.
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.